Hello everyone, when you start coding in Python, you'll hear about two main tools. One is Jupyter and the other one is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code. Choosing the right one depends on what you want to do. Let's look at the differences. Jupyter is built for data. It uses something called notebooks. A notebook lets you write a small piece of code in a box, run it, and see the results right away. If you're making a graph or a chart, it pops up right under your code. This is great for learning because you can see what's happening every step. It's like a scratch pad. You can also add text and images to explain your work. This makes it perfect for students or scientists who need to share their findings with others. However, Jupyter can get messy. It's not the best choice if you're trying to build a giant app or a website. VS Code is a professional code editor. It's what most software developers use every day. It's much more powerful than Jupyter. It has a tool that helps you catch mistakes while you're typing. It also helps you organize hundreds of different files easily. If you want to build a real program that people can download, VS Code is the tool for the job. It feels more like a command center. It might look a bit scary at first because there are so many buttons and settings, but once you learn it, you'll work much faster. The cool thing is that you don't always have to choose one. You can actually run Jupyter notebooks inside of VS Code. This gives you the best of both worlds. If you're just starting and want to play with data, start with Jupyter. It's simple and visual. If you want to become a professional developer and build complex software, spend your time learning VS Code. Both are free and have huge communities to help you. Pick the one that fits your goals and start coding. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.